Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Philip Norton here from Norton Trading. We'll take a quick look here at TNDM. First, however, I'd like to give a shout out to all of my TNDM watchers here. I will say that these videos definitely get the most views out of any of the stocks that I post on, and that I believe that the TNDM followers are really the most educated when it comes to technical analysis. So thank you guys for always watching my videos and posting comments as well. And so here's a look at what we're currently seeing from the daily chart of TNDM. As you guys know, we've been in this long uptrend for quite a while. We had a major pullback off highs, shot all the way down, broke trend, but in the same day just to hit VWAP and shoot back up. You'll see a little break there below VWAP, and that is usually people that have put stops or bail out when the break of VWAP. So they break out, but then of course strength and the buying opportunity comes back in and it gets pushed right back up, which is what we saw earlier this week on Tuesday. One thing I love about TNDM is the bullish sentiment. Even when everything seems to start to look like the run is over, it's going down, it always ends up doing something to really turn around the bearish mindset, right? If it's starting to look a little bearish, all of a sudden something majorly bullish comes in. We have this huge red candle coming all the way down towards support, off the highs, about as bullish as you can get. And then what does it do? Not only does it break support, but it breaks it, bounces off VWAP, and then ends up like 5% higher on the day on increased volume, just to basically tell the bears, nope, not happening here today. We followed that up actually since my last video with really 3 more days of higher highs and higher lows. We've just a nice little short trend upwards today. Though we did have a little bit of some bad news, not really bad news, but a little bit of bearish signal today as we got up into that 9 SMA here on the daily. We bounced off that pretty hard and actually came off highs and really faded most of the afternoon. So not a great looking symbol. For that actually would normally lead me to believe that we're going to actually trend down, really back down to retest support over the next couple of days. But here's really where the technical analysis might take the back burner. While normally the technicals tell you that we're going to see maybe some lower volume, we have had ramped volume over the last 3 days, maybe we'll get a little bit lower volume and a little bit of pullback over a couple of days, back down to this 23.6 Fibonacci, back down to this long-term trending support. However, as we know, on Tuesday, there will be news coming out about the international release for this company. And so a lot of times as you're going into news, you could get a little consolidation in that, but usually for news like this, we might see kind of the idea of, buy the rumor, sell the news bit. So we might actually get a push higher over the next couple of days due to the news coming. However, if that doesn't happen, if we do get what the technicals show and we do start to pull back a little bit, don't worry too much on it. We have this support down here. It's held before. And so I would watch that pullback to support as more of a buying opportunity than as a bearish sentiment. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining me, and everyone have yourself a good weekend.